Hello bebecitas and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz and today I'm unboxing the dip powder subscription bag from Sparkle & Co. for the month of August. If you haven't heard about this monthly subscription bag, I will leave some information in the description box below. If this is your first time watching one of my unboxings, welcome beautiful. I do hope you stay a while so that I can show you what I get in my subscriptions and also to share some important messages of hope, love, motivation, and perseverance. I don't know the answers to everything, but I do know one thing for sure, and that is that we're here on this earth in this exact moment in time to be a light and to shine in the darkness. Please take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, but mostly because I would love to have your support while we embark on this journey. Help me reach as many little hearts out there as I can so that my messages can reach the moon. Remember that this is a judgment-free zone and to always be kind. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this week's message for you. I have a sense that a lot of beautiful, hardworking hustler babes are watching this video. I'm pretty sure that you're a person that has reached or are striving to reach a certain level of self-respect and confidence within you. You know yourself on a deep level and you are very clear on your personal truths and your belief systems. You also have a crystal clear definition of what success means to you, even if it is different from others' definitions. I also feel that quite a few of you are moms as well. You care for your family and the domestic responsibilities that come along with it, all while also making a living for yourself and creating that financial abundance, girl. Maintaining a healthy balance between home and work are very important to you, so you strive to create a warm and secure environment for your family and loved ones. It is so important for you to live independently with a stable income and with enough time and space to nurture yourself and your loved ones. If you feel like this is not you yet, I want to invite you to bring your energy and your attention inward. Focus on rebuilding your sense of self and your resilience. Maybe you handed your power over to others by paying too much attention to their thoughts and their opinions over your own. It's time for you to bring your awareness inward so you can hear yourself and access your personal strengths and talents. Rediscover who you are and be courageous in expressing you and only you in everything you do, even if it is different from what others expect of you. Fears might come out if you're reflecting fear into your present and your future, especially if those fears are based on past experiences. You need to trust your intuition so that you can see beyond what is in front of you. Let go of those mental blocks and negative self-talk and allow your intuition to guide you. Your dreams, intuitions, and inner guidance can lead you forward toward higher levels of self-understanding. Connect with the divine feminine to uncover visions of what lies beyond your everyday life. On the new moon, set intentions. Plant the seeds of opportunities so they can grow. And on the full moon, honor your achievements and look at what you need to release so that new characteristics of yourself can shine. That is all for now, bebecitas. I hope this video met you at a time when you needed to hear those words. Comment your favorite emoji if you made it this far. Thank you so much for listening and for watching. I look forward to the next time we meet again. Until then, I love you and stay blessed. Bye!